Hi there, today I'm gonna show you how I apply these nails. Right now I'm just pushing my cuticles and removing all the dead skin sitting on my nail plate. Now I'm just cleaning my nails with alcohol. This will help to dehydrate the nails and clean them and disinfect them as well. Next, I would buff the shine from my natural nails with a 240 grit nail file. This is a very gentle filing. I'm not going to be doing this today because I already have my nails pre-buffed from the previous set and my nails are kind of thin, so I don't want to make it worse. And these nail tips I purchased on SHEIN. For these nails, they are semi-transparent, so I made sure that the light goes through. I don't want to have uncured gel underneath, but mostly if you have nails that are not transparent, it's better to apply them with regular nail glue, like regular press-ons. Right now I'm just choosing my sizes, and I like to make sure that the nail tips fit me properly from sidewall to sidewall. And once I have all the nail tips selected, I'm going to go ahead and file the inside of the nail tips. This is going to help with the adhesion of the gel glue, and as well I'm going to be filing the edges around the cuticle area just to match the shape of my natural cuticle. That will give you a better fit as well. Once I'm happy with this process, I'm going to file a little bit on top of the nail near the cuticle area just to make the cuticle area even more thinner, and that will give you a better finish as well. I'm filing as well the free edge now, but you can do that later as well if you like. This is what I mentioned before, that I was filing near the cuticle area just to thin out that area even more, and just being careful not to file off the design with the Frenchie. Today I'm trying for the first time Mia's Secret Primer because the Model 1's bottle that I had is finished, and I did not realize that this product contains HEMA, and I'm very allergic to it. So I was having an allergic reaction basically the next day or the same day at night, and I start feel something weird around my cuticle area and redness and itchiness. And then I went to look into the ingredients and I saw HEMA in it, and I said, oh no, why I didn't read before more information about this primer. So I had to remove my nails basically the next day, but they were really attached to my nails. They would have lasted me a long time. Now I'm feeling a little bit better. I was applying some cream that I have to fight the allergic reaction, but yes, I'm gonna have to throw this one in the garbage and not use it again. Here I was setting up my portable UV lamp. It's a clip-up lamp that you just attach to the desk, and it's very easy to use because you will have your hands free. It has a switch and on button as you saw here. So when I'm ready to put my nail underneath the light, I just switch on the button and I'll go for it. So here I'm applying the primer that is going to give me an allergic reaction later on in the day. Oof, I can't believe I didn't check before I purchased this. Then I went with an Meili HEMA-free gel glue. I apply an even layer inside the nail tip. I squeeze a little bit extra near the cuticle area, and I lower my nail a 45-degree angle near the cuticle area, and then I bring it down under the light and flash cure it there for a few more seconds until it's secure. If I have to wipe any spillage, I just flash cure the nail for about 5 seconds. Then I take a brush with alcohol and wipe any excess. This way is very easy instead of having to file off cure gel if you cure it for the full amount of time, like a minute for example. So once I apply all my nails, I'm going to cure my full hand for 60 seconds under my bigger UV LED lamp. I decided to show the application on the right hand as well, since one of my viewers mentioned that they haven't seen someone doing the right hand, so I decided to leave it in the video. And next I'm gonna go with the safety bit and my portable e-file. I'm gonna go around the cuticle area just to make sure I don't really have anything left from any spill gel. I don't really have that much, but I decided just to do this anyways because it's gonna thin out even more the cuticle area for a better flush look. And once I'm done with this, I'm going to go ahead and apply some decoration. And this is the advantage of these nails, they already come pre-painted. I really like that. I really like that option. I was planning to leave everything with a Frenchy design, but then I said it's just maybe just too simple, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove the Frenchy from 2 of the nails. I really have to file this very well. This Frenchy was really encapsulated in there. These nails actually have a good quality because other fake nails that I purchased already with the design, it has been easy just to remove the design with acetone, but this one not. This one I have to file off. And you guys saw the brand I was using. These beautiful stickers I purchased on SHEIN, and I decided after trying a few other things I didn't like it, so I just decided to go for a couple of beautiful flowers for today and be done, because I was trying other things and it was taking me too long and I wasn't happy with it. And I think these flowers with a little bit of the white, they are matching the Frenchies very well. So they are a little bit thick, so I had to apply like 2 layers of the top coat just to make sure that they were nice and sealed and they were not coming out of the nails with time. But of course now you know that I had to remove these nails the next day because of the allergic reaction that I have from the Mia Secret primer. So right now I'm using an Imeili, HEMA-free, TPO-free, and there is another chemical that this company is free as well. And they never gave me an allergic reaction before so far, that's why I purchased from them. And once I apply the top coat, I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds and I'll be right back with the final results for today. gonna go ahead and apply Sally Hansen cuticle oil with vitamin E in it. It's a very good oil. I really like it. I purchased this one on the Walmart. And once I have everything nice and moisturized, that will be the final step. These nails came out so cute. I really like it, and I have to remove them the next day. I feel so terrible. But here is the final result. I just want to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. You have a wonderful day.